guys, it's Ching here. I'm in Shanghai in the Jing'an district and I'm off to try a banging fish dish.
If you're a seafood lover, then this is the episode for you. I'm taking you to eat one of the best fish dishes in Shanghai. Super tender cod in a nest of crispy fried spring onions. Smoky and delicious.
So I'm off to Old Jessie restaurant. They're a Shanghai institution and they've got several outposts. But the one I'm after is in this mall. It's called Taikoo Mall. Here it is.
This place is famous for its smoky opium fish head. The dish is made by deep frying fresh spring onions, then draining them, adding fresh cod in the middle, and refrying to create a nest of onions around the tender fish head.
Oh wow, that looks incredible. Look at that. The sound of the crispy spring onions. And then you've got the beautiful cod fish head. I think that's the cheek. Look at that. Look at that beautiful tenderness of that meat. Look at that. Beautiful, glistening, smoky. That meat. It's salty, it's sweet, it just melts in the mouth. It's so delicate. You really get the fragrance of the spring onions. Let me try some of the spring onions. This is not dainty eating, but it's delicious. We're gonna go and fish for the meaty bits. Just so soft and tender and moist. A little bit of chili oil, and a little bit of Kum Kee's soy sauce. I'm in heaven right now. I mean, the charred spring onions add a sweetness, a slight smokiness. The fish is so delicate. I've nearly eaten the whole thing. And this is supposed to be a sharing dish. That's okay.
Make sure you check out the rest of the series for loads more delicious eats and easy to make recipes. Just click the link on the screen now.